Hello my lovely crafters, this is Crafty Sue 519. Welcome to my channel. And today I am going to do a quick little tutorial on how I make my angel beads. A couple of people have asked me how to make these little beads, these little dangles of the angels. So I thought I'd give it a try. Not big on doing tutorials. It scares me. But I will give it a try. Excuse my lighting. I know it's not the best. I really don't know how to do it. But we'll see what we have here. Alrighty, so to make one of these angels, you're going to see shadows, and I apologize ahead of time for those. These are the items that you're going to need to make one of those little angel dangles. First off, you need your beads, and I bought my beads. They're called Sunburst beads. They're plastic. These are 18mm size beads, and I bought them in this color, all these different colors, so I can do different color things. And this is the name of the company I bought them from, Bead Tin. And if you go to beadtin.com and put in Sunburst beads, it'll bring up a whole ton of them. You can buy the different colors in a packet like this, or just one color if that's what you prefer. So those are 18mm. Then you need the smaller ones, which are 12mm, and they come the same way. And the 18mm has 150 in a pack. This has more. I think there's like 400 or something in this pack. They're really quite generous, and they're $2.59 a pack, so they're not very expensive. Then you need some spacer beads. These are 4mm spacer beads. I have, I'm not going to remember the names of everything. You know, a little ring, an eye pin, 4 beads, one of the 2 colors that you're going to make, or if you're going to make it a solid color, that's fine too. Doesn't matter, but 2 of the small ones, 2 of the larger ones. You need a rondell, little rondell bead, and I'm going to guess I got these on BB Craft. I'm guessing. And that's a silver rondell, a little pearl for the head. I put a little jingle bell on the bottom, and a little set of wings. Not sure what the size of these wings are. Not sure. If I find out, I'll put it in the description below. But I got these at the same company, at Bead Tin. So just look up on Bead Tin. I think they're only in one size. Not positive, but I think. So you take your eye pin, and don't laugh at my tools, because they come out of Grumpy's garage toolbox. I don't have any jewelry tools, so he let me use his. So you're going to take your eye pin with the eye at the bottom, and you're going to put one of the spacer beads on, okay? Just a little spacer on there. And then you're going to take one of the smaller beads, the 12mm, and you're going to put that. Then take the opposite color of the 18mm and put that, and they just fall right into place. It's really cool how it works. And then take the other 18mm, and now you see the body coming together, and then you're going to put the last one on top. And there you go. You got the body all set. So once you have the body on, you want to put the wings. So just slide a pair of the wings on, and then the bead, the pearl for her head. And the reason I'm using a small bead pearl on this one, sometimes I use a larger one, this size. I have all of these metal pieces in gold as well as silver. I just thought the silver went pretty with the blue, so that's why I'm using this. But the Rondells I have in silver are all the same size. And let's see if it says, these are just 6 millimeters. I got a billion of them in here. I'm sure this came from BB Craft. And so I use the smaller pearls for that, because it just looks better when it's smaller. Alrighty, so once you got the head on, you want to put your Rondell for her halo. And then the other spacer bead will go in there. And there she is. So this is the part I'm not great at, so don't laugh. Don't laugh. Now you need to make like an eye pin top here. To do that, I'm going to cut off a little piece of this wire because it's too much there. And then turn that. And you want to try to get it so it's as tight as can be. And like I said, I'm not great at this part, but that's not too bad, huh? And there she is. That's how easy this is to make. It's just putting the little pieces together. A little crooked. Let's get her uncrooked. There she goes. There it is. And then on the bottom, I take my little jump ring. Ooh, I remembered the name, jump ring. Put it on here. And then attach it to the bottom. And make sure you close it good and tight so they don't fall off. I've had that happen. I'm sure this goes together a lot better if you have the right tools, but not too bad, I don't think. I try to fit my nail in between. If my nail doesn't go in, then I figure that's great. Now you can put whatever you want on top to hang her from. And that's it. That's how easy that is. I hope this helped for anybody who wanted to try making one. I'm trying to remember where I saw this tutorial. It's been over a year ago. I just don't remember who I saw make these. If I do figure that out, I'll also put her video below. I don't want it to seem like I'm just copying someone, but I just can't remember off the top of my head who it was. But I love them. I think they're just so cute. And there you go. Little blue and white angel. These beads are so awesome and inexpensive, and look how cute they come out. So I hope this helped and that you make some angel dangles too. All right, everybody, until next time, love yous. Bye.